Hey everybody, Scott Davis from the Morning Breach here, coming to you live from the Abandoned Pennsylvania Turnpike, where I'm one of the few runners that are out running the end of the road half marathon. That's 13 miles if you're trying to do the math at home. But this is a great opportunity to talk to you about making sure that you do hardware refreshes on your workstations, your servers, as well as your hardware, such as switches, firewalls, and other devices. Why you want to do that is technology changes, processors get better, and ultimately you just need to keep the hardware safe and secure. It's no different than making sure that you do firmware updates or that you go through and make sure your system's patched. On average, your workstation should be replaced every 3 to 5 years, depending on the use case and the user that's using it. Servers should be replaced anywhere from 5 to 8 years, and typically your hardware infrastructure, like your firewalls and switches, should follow that same 5 to 8 kind of year life cycle. So looking here, I'm right by one of the 2 tunnels that we ran through here on the half marathon, and the tunnel itself is in good shape. It still will last probably another 25, 50 years. But that doesn't mean it wasn't time for PennDOT to create new roads, build some new tunnels. So just like PennDOT made the decision that it was time to replace the old and build new, you should actually make sure that you have a good cycle, that you're replacing your hardware, workstations, and servers on a regular basis. So that's Scott's The Morning Breach's tech tip of the day. Thanks for watching.